breathe in. Big breath. Let the tummy come out. Breathe out. Okay,
So Tai Chi originated about 700 years ago, although some of the movements are recorded at 5,000 years old. What I hope people could take away from it is that actually they're in charge, that we can be empowered and that we can move and we can be strong, and our mind can hold us, our body can hold us, and that we can just feel great and feel present. So come along to the symposium and enjoy the breakaway sessions that are going to happen and all the information that you'll be given on the day.